If you are playing EA Sports FC 26 on PC and struggling with lag, stuttering, or really low FPS, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through simple but effective fixes to boost your performance and make the game run smoother. Let's get into it. First thing first, update your graphic drivers. Whether you are using Nvidia or AMD, head over to GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenaline and make sure you are on the latest version. Outdated drivers are one of the main reasons for FPS drops in FC 26. Next, let's optimize your in-game setting. Go to settings, display, and set window mode to full screen. Lower graphics quality from ultra to high or medium. Turn VSyncs off for reduced input lag. Lower anti-aliasing to XAA or TAA low. Cap your frame rate to 60 FPS if your PC struggles with higher numbers. These changes alone can make a huge difference. Now let's tweak Windows for gaming. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape button. Open Task Manager and set FC 26 priority to high. Go to graphics settings in Windows and FC 26 and set it to high performance. Turn on game mode and disable background apps like Chrome or Discord while playing. If you are still lagging, try this. Force the game to run on DirectX 11 instead of 12 by editing the launch options in Steam or EA app. Delete the config file so the game creates a fresh one with optimized settings for your hardware. This can often fix random stutters. For an extra FPS boost, make sure your PC is running in high performance power mode. Update Windows, and if you are on a laptop, plug in your charger. Performance mode kicks in when charging. Alright guys, that's how you fix lag, stuttering and low FPS in EA Sports FC 26 on PC. If this video helped you, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more FC 26 tips and fixes. Drop a comment with your FPS gains below. I'd love to hear your results. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.